G'day, this is Oz8EV Rider and welcome to episode 2 of my V-Strom makeover. Today I'll be finishing off fitting up my Speedo. I've got the position where I want it. Now, so I've just made up a little bracket here. This is the mounting bracket that comes with the Speedo, and I've just made up this little bit here to get the position where I want it. My headlight hasn't arrived yet, so I'm just going to be concentrating on the Speedo today. So I was up going over the wiring diagram last night. This is the bike's wiring diagram. That's not what I'm looking for. And that is the Speedo's wiring diagram. So I've gone through trying to work out what colour wire from the Speedo joins what colour wire from the bike. So hopefully I've got it sorted out. So I'm really liking this minimalist look. It's just whether I can get it all working and looking nice and neat. Okay, I'm a bit concerned these colours don't seem to match up with my wiring diagram. Right, yeah, I'm going to shut that down for a while while I figure this shit out. Right, yeah, back again to do some more wiring on the bike. I ended up leaving it overnight. Yeah, done my head in yesterday trying to work out those wires. Some of the wire colours on the wiring harness are different to the wiring diagram, which really put me off. Let me just show you what I've got here. So I'd written all these connection, that's the dash, that's the bike. I'd used all the same colour codes and I kept confusing myself to what was what, so I had to keep getting up and checking the list, and I've gone through this morning and just written that out. I wish I did that a bit neater so I could actually read it, but anyway. Right, I've got some of these wires just plugged in just to see if it works. I've got the clock up, that's a good sign. Right, see what happens when I turn the ignition on. Ooh. Blinker, blinker, neutral, in gear. Oh, that's a good sign. Rightio, turn that off before I gas myself out. I better open this door. Where are we? You should be able to see that. So I made this little bracket here. It's not overly attractive, but it'll do the job for now. So that's my brake caliper bolt. These bolts are holding in my little, I'm going to call it a reed switch, which we'll see that magnet there. Let me just jack that front up again. So there's two lines on this, the magnet has to pass between them, which it does. Now if I give that front wheel a spin, we're in business. Oh yeah, to work out this circumference, I'm going to put a bit of tape on the tyre, a bit of tape on the ground. We could use some kind of maths formula, but it's way too early for that. There we go, around. So we've done one revolution of the front wheel. Another piece of tape. Righto, I'm going to have to move the bike because the center stand's in my road. 2083. There you go for you people who like your imperial measurements, 82 inches. So now that I've got the wheel circumference, I can input the settings onto the Speedo. Turn that ignition back on. Now to get into the settings, I hold reset and mode. Righto, so we can change between 24-hour and 12-hour time. I can set the clock. That one, so what time is it? So we're on PM, we're at 5:05. It's got a shift warning light on it. I'm going to set that at 10,000. The original tacho has the red line at 10.5. If I set it at 10, that gives me a bit of a warning. Oops. So that's the engine signal. Select the number of engine rotations per spark. So that would be 2. C, that's the circumference of the wheel. What did I say? 2083. So it's kilometres an hour or miles per hour. We'll stick with kilometres per hour, and that is for the fuel. I've got that turned off because I didn't wire in the fuel gauge. And then to turn it back off, what do we do? Hold the mode button for 2 seconds. Rightio, so that has speed. So we've got trip 1, whoops, wrong button again. Trip 2, odometer, time, RPM. That's your average speed, that's your max speed and max revs. Apparently I've done 101 kilometres an hour. I don't remember doing that, considering I haven't ridden that anyway. Total time ridden, riding time, back to the trip meter. That's it, we're all set up, ready to go. Just got to wire it all up properly now. So I'm just about to make a permanent connection between the wiring harness and my new Speedo. Yeah, I'm putting off cutting into this. I'm getting to that point of no return. I wonder if it's worth taking that tank off. Well, I'm just going to have to cut it. Back here. Black white goes to black. There we go. Fucking hell. Righto, one. Bloody hell. Stable this camera is, but we'll see if the speedo's working. Oh yeah, it is working. So that's it for episode 2. Hopefully my headlight turns up during the week and we can get that sorted out next week and I can actually ride the bike again. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you next time.